Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing traditional almond milk recipe, that is Harira. For this I have taken half cup of almonds and I'll be soaking it overnight, and these are rice, handful of rice, and 1 tablespoon of hush hush or poppy seeds and handful of cashews. Everything soaked, nicely washed and added to fresh water, and I am just adding everything into the blender. I am using Vitamix blender to blend all the ingredients. This is 1 cup of freshly grated coconut. In this blender it will blend really silky smooth. Again I will be adding milk, enough milk I will be adding for grinding all these ingredients. If you have small mixie cup also, you can blend the ingredients thick fine paste and then you can dilute it along with the milk. Anyways is okay. Now you can see our paste or the liquid is nice silky smooth, you can see. To this I will add enough liquid, that is milk and water together, how much ever you want to make the harira or almond milk. In this itself mix and keep. My blender jar is too big, so that I am mixing it in this itself. In a wide open pan I have taken 1 tablespoon of ghee. To that I am adding whole spices, cardamom, clove and cinnamon. To that first I will be adding 2 glasses of water. This is the first tip. First add water so that the milk, if you add immediately, it will split or it will splatter. So avoiding that, we will add first water and then the milk mixture which we prepared. Do not forget, first add water to the tempering, then only the prepared milk, because when you add the milk directly it will splatter and split as well. Split means curdling of the milk. Next tip is, do not take eye off this vessel. You should always keep mixing the liquid, because it will tend to stick to the bottom and the smell of the burnt milk won't be nice. Third tip is, add sugar only when the milk comes to boil. Do not add the sugar in the beginning itself. I added only 1 cup of sugar. Only mild sweetness is good for this kind of drink. Important thing to remember is, do not overcook after adding sugar also. That also will tend to curdle the milk. For instant almond milk, I also have that recipe on my channel. I will leave the link in the description box, which is a make and freeze recipe. This is a very popular and traditional recipe which is always served in any festive occasion or wedding occasion, or even when you have special guests at home. Also, we prepare this recipe in the month of Ramadan to have in iftar or to have it before the bedtime. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.